Today we are making shots for kids. No, I'm just kidding. We're making shots for kids. So you need ginger ale. I don't care what kind. I just like this kind. Wait, where's my cup? Cup. Nothing in it. Excuse me. Sugar. And let's see. I need color for color. I like getting. Let's see. What color should I get? I don't know where it is. Okay, then we don't need food color. Alright, so first, if you could open it. Oh my god, my dad is like too tight. Mom, you open this? I know my mom used to open it. Alright, and I'll pour it in the cup. Only a little bit. Do we have any of those little cups? Okay, no we don't. Oh, yes we do. The clear ones. So you can see how much I put in. I want a clear cup. Not those, this. So I'm going to get a clear cup so you can see how much to use. Okay. You only want that much. Alright, and you're going to put some sugar in. Okay. It's actually going to turn all white like this. If you listen to it, you'll hear it sizzle a lot. Alright, so I'll get like about 3 scoops. That's it. That's not a lot. And if you listen to it, that actually sounds kind of cool. Alright. Put the sugar back. And put the ginger ale back. I'm gonna get lemon juice. Not lemonade, lemon juice. A lot of people didn't except for this stuff. Okay, I'm gonna pour some in. Not a lot, so it's really sour. Just smell it and it smells lemony, then you stop. Then you want a spoon to stir it up. This spoon to stir it up. I'm making a shot. Alright, now after that, fun dip, yeah, and you want to pour it in there. And taste it. It tastes good. Good. Until that and then you could drink it. I'm gonna put this in. Yeah. All right. I don't know if it tastes like beer or not. You never know. I tried to make a shot for kids. Bye.